Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming simple prerequisites. Charge above 10% and disconnect external keyboards so they can't steal input. Once done, restart the phone to flush transient glitches. This often restores the keyboard quickly. Next, make sure Android has the latest system update because outdated frameworks break input layers. Then open Settings, go to Apps, find your keyboard app, force stop it, and clear the cache. This removes corrupted temporary files while keeping your custom settings intact. Now you focus on configuration and permissions. First, set the default keyboard explicitly in languages and input so Android binds the correct IME. If that fails, tap Reset App Preferences or uninstall and reinstall the keyboard to recreate clean app data. Make sure the keyboard has necessary permissions like storage or microphone. Missing access can stop features and block startup. Finally, check accessibility settings because some services alter input behavior. Toggle them briefly to test if they're interfering with typing. For stubborn cases, reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is the culprit. If the keyboard works there, uninstall recent apps until typing returns. Once you've isolated the issue, wipe the system cache partition to remove low-level corruptions, and only consider a factory reset as a final step because it erases data. If none of this helps, note exact behavior, error messages, screenshots, and reproduction steps. Then contact the keyboard developer or device support for target.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.